Welcome to Archiesense. The residence is spread out along a linear courtyard with a striking swimming pool as the focal point between the main house and the timber-clad pavilion. The pool acts as both a visual anchor and a reflective space that enhances the home's relationship with the landscape. The layout is designed for a seamless flow between the interior and exterior spaces. Access to the residence is organized by staggered floating walls, gradually concealing and revealing the home while providing a buffer between the entryway and the more private living areas. The timber-clad exterior sits parallel to the axial pool and plays a key role in unifying the living spaces with the surrounding landscape. With 4 meters of glazing, it creates a fluid visual and spatial experience. This area serves as a recreational space with a lounge, bar and jacuzzi, and offers a terrace that provides views of the pool. Structurally, the exterior volume appears to hover above the pool deck, reinforcing the floating effect that aligns with the edge of the endless pool. The interior of the main house carries an open floor plan concept with vertical and volumetric changes to define different zones. The formal living room on the north side faces the front landscape, with the reflecting pool as an elegant visual backdrop. On the other side of the house, the private areas are arranged to ensure comfort and privacy. The 2-story family room, which borders the swimming pool, serves as the main gathering space. Distinctive architectural elements include a prayer room with a protruding metal volume and a double-layered metal perforated screen that creates an interesting visual contrast. The architecture of the house emphasizes the interaction of horizontal planes on the floors and roof slabs, creating a balance between solid and empty elements and building and nature. The design celebrates the combination of form, materiality, and landscape, creating a luxurious residence that is yet closely connected to its natural environment. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.